Got him. Massive. Big fish. Big fish. What is up, everybody? Fish Hawk here. Hope you guys are having a great day. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I put out new videos every single week. In this video, I'm doing some small creek trout fishing. It is going to be a beautiful day, getting up in the mid 80s, and clouds are supposed to roll in later today. The past couple days, we had a bunch of rain, so this small spring creek right here is up a little bit and a little stained. It is absolutely perfect conditions. Hopefully I can catch some. Stay tuned. Show you guys my setup today. I got a 6-foot light Fish Hawk rod. These rods are available for sale at jnh.com. Link down in the description. Shimano Ultegra 1000 reel and 6-pound test P-line fluorocarbon. Down here on this end, I have a gold blade Fish Hawk spinner, and about 10 inches above it, I have a tiny barrel swivel to keep line twist out of my line. Big fish, big fish, big fish. Absolute monster. I don't know if I'll get this thing in the net. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe how big this fish is. No. Come on. Get back here. She's not done. She's not done. This is absolutely insane. Back downstream she goes. Oh my gosh, guys, I got him. I absolutely got it. This is an absolute giant. Holy crap. This might be a PB. My heart is racing. Oh my gosh, this is an absolute beast. An absolute giant of a brown trout, guys. Holy crap, I'm shaking. All right, guys, it's been about 10 minutes since I caught that fish. I'm still standing here, gathering myself. I retied, changed battery in my GoPro, got a little drink. I'm still shaking a little bit. That was an absolutely insane fight, insane fish. First fish of the day on the gold blade Fish Hawk spinner. Oh man, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to top that today, but I'm super excited. If I don't catch anything else, I'll still be excited. But I'm gonna keep going, hopefully find some more. That big brown trout was hanging out right under that bush up there, cast up past that bush, brought it down past. He came out and absolutely drilled it. It's going to be hard to top that one, guys, but we're going to try. There we go, fish on. Made it work for that one. Second fish of the day. Just a little fella compared to that other one, but still a nice fish. Beautiful colors. Y'all see that brown trout right there just swimming? Right there. If I could get this untangled without him noticing me, I might have a shot. Got him. Massive. Massive. He was right here in front of me. I watched him eat it. Oh my gosh, this is insane. This is absolutely insane. Come on, buddy. Come on. Holy crap, guys. No, 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 don't go in there. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh. Another giant. This one might be bigger than the last one. No, 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 no. Come on, come on, I'm gonna let you go. Just get in my net. Come on, just get in my net. He's not done, he's not done. No, you're not getting in that stick. You're not getting in that stick. Nope. Come on, give up. Oh my gosh. I can't budge this fish. Look at the size of this fish. Oh, we got him. We got him. We got him. Oh, this one's way bigger. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this absolute giant. Holy crap. The fish hawk spinner right in his mouth. I watched him eat it. He was right in front of me. All right, let's get a release, get some pictures. Look at the size of this fish. You cannot make this up. Two fish, two absolute giants. That fish right there, I just caught a little brown trout and I saw this big one just swim right up in front of me and just stay there, just swimming right in front of me. And I was like, don't make any sudden movements, don't scare him, just get one cast off. Cast that spinner up in front of him, brought it back, past him, he started to follow it, I paused it, and he just absolutely drilled it. And then the fight was on, another insane fight with another massive fish. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna keep it going. That's two massive brown trout and one little brown trout. I've been here probably 20 minutes. This is why you go trout fishing after it rains. Let's keep it going. I think I'm gonna need a bigger net. Those fish barely fit in that net. Whew, I'm soaked. Just had a follow she wouldn't hit, so I'm gonna take the spinner off, put on a little streamer, see if I can get her to bite. Just tied this little streamer on, let's see if I can get that fish to bite. Couldn't get that fish to bite the streamer, but I'm gonna keep working my way upstream. I'm gonna leave the streamer on for a little bit, see if it does any better than the spinner. Fish one. Oh my gosh. Massive. Massive. Another massive brown trout. Goodness. Oh my gosh. How am I gonna land this fish? Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yes. Oh, we got him. All right, guys, another really high quality trout on the little streamer. Not quite as big as those others, but still a really, really nice fish. All right, guys, just caught our first fish of the day on the little streamer. Cast right up along the bank here, and that fish drilled it. Got the gold blade fish hawk spinner back on. Let's see what happens. Couldn't pull anything out of this hole. Going to keep working my way upstream. There we go. In the net. Little fella, but man, look at the colors on this guy. Was on a bit of a cool streak until this guy hit. Beautiful fish. Just put the fish hawk spinner back on and caught that nice little brown trout. These are going to be available for sale early September. Just talked to the tackle shop and that's when we're expecting them. They're not going to have the hair down there around the treble hook. This is a prototype, but they will be available for sale early September. I'll let you guys know, make an announcement, get them while they last. Fish on! Little fella. Come here, buddy. Just a little fella. Little bit of a drop, buddy. Just out of curiosity, I'm gonna check the water temp. It's getting late in the day, so want to make sure this water's cold enough. All right, let's see what we got here. Looks like it's right around 60, 62 degrees. That's pretty cold. Fish on. Oh my gosh, look how little this guy is. We'll take it. Smallest one of the day, but one of the prettiest. Just got to this nice hole right here and decided to tie on a 1/8 ounce gold Phoebe spoon. Caught that little fella. Let's see if there's some more in there. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today. It's getting hot and I'm sweating my butt off. I'm heading home, but what an amazing day of trout fishing. Caught some really, really nice fish and caught them on a variety of lures, fish hawk spinners, streamers, and spoons. I'll leave all the information for the gear down in the description. If you guys are new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up. It'll really help me out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Fish Hawk out.